What's up, guys? It's Pandora, the postcard diva, crypto babe. How's everybody doing out there? Hope you're having a marvelous day today. If you're here for the first time, smash it. Smash the subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. We're back just to do a quick update on Mailbox Income System. The link is in the description as well as on the screen. Go to www.mailboxincomesystem.info. Check it out. See what it is all about. All right. So let's do a quick update for ya. Let's get into it. Let's talk about it. Let's go. All right, guys. So we are in our dashboard here. And we're just going to go over this a little bit. This program comes with some training modules you can check out. We like to call it the Mailbox Income System because you can receive unlimited $20 commissions in the mailbox. How so? I'm going to show you that. So you get this back office here. You get these training modules. How much is it to get started? It's only $100. All right. So what are you getting? You get Email Profits Bootcamp. You also get, let's move this out the way. You get Dominating with Free Facebook Strategies. That is the standard $100 product level. If you want more training and to be able to earn more than the $20 commissions, they have the Pro, training modules. But we're talking about today just the standard. So Email Profits Bootcamp. So let's click on that so you can see. This will be in your back office. When you log in, you will see it here. All right, Email Profits Bootcamp. Here's the modules it talks about. Here's the instructor with all the information, and you can click here to download this course. All right, then you also have, for the $100, you get this whole back office so you can track everything. All right, so you got Email Profits Bootcamp, then you have Dominating with Free Facebook Strategies. Here's the modules for this one as well. All right, so those two products you get this back office that I'm talking about. Now, you get the websites. Let's see. I think that's over here. Hang on a second. All right, so if we click here, your websites, show you this. Right here, you'll see you get your capture page, which I'm going to show you what that looks like. You get a sales page as well. And you can see I've got a lot of hits on my site. Well, what does the site look like? Let's take a look here. Let me show you. This is the capture page. We all get the same capture page, right? And yours will be coded to you just like mine is coded to me. All right, this is what it looks like. Folks will go here. This is where you're going to drive traffic. You're going to send people here. And when they go here, they put in their name and email, and then they get what? This is what they're going to see here. This is like a 2-minute video. All right, this is like a sizzle or teaser, if you will, video. If they want more information, which is a free starter kit, I like to say free 99, doesn't cost a dime to request a kit. What is a kit? The kit is a 6-page document. You may not be able to see, this thing is moving here. All right, so it's a 6-page document. It's a sales letter that explains everything. You can read over that. If you're interested, you would mail that sales letter back in with your $100. They even send you an envelope to put it in. I highly recommend you mail it priority so that you can track it back to the office. Otherwise, you can just mail it back in the envelope they send you. You don't even have to put a stamp on it, And they will get it when they get it. You know, mail runs a little slow. It can take a week or so to get it. But you want to fill this out correctly and put your email here, because when they receive your $100, they can email you your login information so that you can log into your back office just like what I did, So you fill this out, and they will mail you this sales letter that I'm talking about, the 6-page sales letter. All right, guys, that's it. That's how that will work. Now, for everybody that decides they also want this system as well, you're going to earn $20 commissions on 3 levels. Okay, 3 levels. That's how that works. Okay, and they're not using payment processors, so they mail you your $20 commissions in cash. All right. All right, so let's go back over here. All right, so you get this dashboard. Let's move this down. And we just looked at the websites. Then your marketing, you have access to that. Okay. They have postcards you can purchase from the company. This is what the postcard will look like. It will have your code here. Everybody's got their own ID code. And you can order them right from your back office. Right here, it shows you the different prices for them. Whoa. You can get 100 cards for $20, 200 for $37.50, 300 for $55, 400 for $72.50, and so forth. All right. They also, if you want to purchase leads from them as well, they have leads here. See right here, it says addresses. That will be names and addresses of people that's interested in making money from home. Okay. And they have the price points here from $20 up to $142. We'll go even higher, as you can see. Okay. They can do the postage for you too if you want that as well. It says right here, right? So it's up to you. Or if they could just mail you the postcards, if you have your own leads, then you can just put your leads on there. It's whatever you want to do. All right. They also have flyers, guys, right here. Some people like flyers. So click here and you will see the flyer for this program as well. Okay. Check it out. All right. So marketing is here. They also have email swipes. These are email ad copy. If you want to send folks emails to have them take a look at this opportunity, they tell you exactly. All you do is copy and paste. Copy what they give you and send that right to people, and you will send them to your capture page. Okay. Then they have banners as well. Okay, that's coded to you. Everything is coded to you, so they'll know who to pay. All right, so that's your marketing tab, and then this is leads. I'm not going to click that because it has people's names and emails in there. And then kits. Let me show you what we're looking at here. Hang on. All right, I'm covering up the bottom because, again, it has people's names and email addresses there. All right, so this, when you click kits, you can see here I have 16 kits. Remember I told you it's in 3. You get paid on 3 levels. So level 1, I have 16 kits that have been mailed out with me in position 1. I have 418 kits with me in position 2 that the company mailed out. Not me. The company mailed out these sales letters with my name on it. Right? So 418 have been mailed out in position 2. 11 kits have been mailed out in position 3. Okay, and you can track all this in your dashboard. Then over here it says team, and over here it says sales. Okay, so all this is available to you, and shows you over here if there were some pending mailings going out on my behalf, they would be right here under pending. So we have pending mailings, then all mailings, and if there was any that was not deliverable, like if someone, I guess, didn't have the right address on there or whatever, it would tell you here, here's some non-deliverable kits that didn't quite get there. All right. So all this is right here at your fingertips. And of course, you can pull this up from your smart device. You can log in your back office so you can track what's going on. All right, guys. So let's take a look at some emails I received from the company. All right. As you can see right here on the 23rd, there was an email from the company saying, hey, you've got commissions on the way. They processed some commissions right here. So that should be here any day. And then here it shows you where kits were mailed. Let me see. Hang on a second. All right, right here on Wednesday, there was 1 kit mailed in position 2. Let's go back. They send you an email saying you got cash, and it tells you what position you were in when you got that cash. I was in position 2, and they tell me I'll be mailing it on Friday. Okay. All right, so you can track what's going on. Like I said, you get these emails from the company and it tell you when kits are being requested and what position they're in. All right, and then you can go to your back office and check to see who it was and that type of thing. Okay, all right. Now, if you want to send traffic to your website, which is your capture page, right? You need to use your capture page, which would be this page, right? We all have this page. It's coded to you. You can purchase some traffic, guys. Remember I talked to you guys about that. You can contact this company. The link's in the description. If you want 100 visitors, okay, and this is what you will want, because remember, this is a direct mail program. The company is going to mail them a sales letter, and they're not going to mail out the country, right? So you want to use your 100% tier 1. So these would be the ones you would order from. 100 visitors, 73. 1,000 visitors, 730, or 500 visitors, 365. That's one source. And then remember I told you one of my direct members right under me, she used this service, and that's how we got all those kits going out on our behalf, right? So again, this one is premium US only. You want to use US only because this direct mail program is only in the US. All right, you can see people are ordering traffic or recently ordered traffic. The little ticker is showing at the bottom. So over here, you can get 200 visitors to your site for $90. US only. Okay, so I'll put those two links below. But if you're interested in earning these unlimited $20 commissions, all right, go to the link in the description, www.mailboxincomesystem.info. Go check it out. It doesn't cost you a thing to get your free sales letter. Read over it, check it out, see if it's for you. You're mailing $100. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please, and thank you. And on your way out, guys, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day. Don't forget to come back. We're going to do What's Up Wednesday this afternoon. Let's see what's going on. See you on the next video.